Hi, I'm Kit. I'm a primary school teacher, a semi-professional footballer and a presenter. So a typical day for me starts at about 6:30 when I wake up, I go downstairs, feed my puppy, Murphy, and take him for a walk.
So it's around 7:25. I'm just about to leave my house and go to work.
So here is a look into my classroom. Hands on lips, eyes this way. Good. The first time I stood in front of my class, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous, but at that point I felt ready to teach. I felt, do you know what? I can do this. When I grew up, it was just me and my mum at home, and I didn't have that immediate male role model in my household. I think that every child deserves a positive role model, someone who believes in them, someone who inspires them, and someone they can always look up to. Some lessons I might dress up as a character, in others we might do a song or a dance to help us remember something. I'm a massive fan of getting kids up out of their seats to get active in lessons to relate their learning to experiences. It's 5 o'clock, so I'm just about to leave my classroom and head off to football training. I love the social side of it, mixing with my teammates, having fun. So I'm quite well known on social media now for my teaching. About a year ago, I posted a video saying I'm starting my teaching career, come on this journey with me. And a year later, I'm sitting on 500,000 followers. What have you enjoyed about this year?
Having the best teacher ever, having you fall off your chair and me almost dying because of how much I laugh.
And it's nice to be able to have that communication with other teachers across the world, globally in different countries, to be able to share experiences and inspire other people to think about a career in teaching. First, let's see how many star jumps you can do in 20 seconds. Being a teacher has provided me with so many opportunities outside of my own classroom. I was offered a job on BBC Bitesize, so still within the world of education, which is my absolute dream. And I grew up using BBC Bitesize, so this was absolutely incredible for me. And all the kids were crazy, like, Mr. Brown's on TV.
The gestation period varies from animal to animal.
It really keeps me going, coming into my class every day, seeing them happy to be here, happy to learn and ready to tackle anything.